show you how to remove and reassemble your Jjinggu Lightstick. First, we take it out of the box. It's so pretty, right? Now let's put the batteries in. Remember to always be careful with your Lightstick. Don't put the batteries in until you are inside the concert hall. And remember to take the batteries out right after the concert. Take out the diamond part. Hold the dome with one hand and the base with another. Turn it clockwise. When you hear a click, it's open. Carefully remove and tada! Congrats! You safely opened your Jjinggu Lightstick. Let's try to remove the Jjinggu part. Carefully lift it up. You will see a row of pins like this. You will push it back in here. See that raised part at the back? That's your guide for putting the Jjinggu part back. See that tiny cut? Carefully put it back on and test it if it lights up. If it did, you put it on the right way. Check the back part if it aligns. These grooves are your guide to put the diamond dome back on. These lines indicate the sides of the diamond. Turn counterclockwise to close securely. And done! Thank you for watching!